Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken tarkari at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken cut into 2-inch pieces. Also, prepare 2 large onions, 3 ripe tomatoes, a 2-inch piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 green chilies. Don't forget fresh cilantro and your spices. 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's begin building our flavor base. Heat 3 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once hot, add the chopped onions and sauté them patiently until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, which usually takes about 8 minutes. Next, stir in the minced ginger and garlic, cooking for just 1 minute until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. Finally, add the green chilies and cook for another 30 seconds to infuse their subtle heat. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to add the star ingredient. Carefully place the chicken pieces into the pot and sear them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are lightly browned on all sides. Then, generously sprinkle in the turmeric, cumin, and coriander powders, stirring thoroughly to ensure every piece of chicken is beautifully coated. Pour in 1 cup of water or chicken broth, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, cover the pot, and let it cook for 20 minutes, allowing all those incredible flavors to meld together. We're almost there. Now, stir in the chopped tomatoes and continue cooking for another 10 minutes, allowing them to soften and release their juices, enriching the sauce. Check that the chicken is perfectly tender and that the tarkari sauce has thickened to your desired consistency. Finally, before serving, garnish generously with a handful of freshly chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. Your delicious homemade chicken tarkari is now ready to be enjoyed hot with fluffy rice or warm naan bread. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.